Oi, you! What is that you're carrying? It looks like a big lump of red rucksack you're carrying.
Yeah, it looks really ugly, and it looks so rounded. Why don't get you rid of that old junk? But you're gonna make babies out of it, right? He's got a gun!
He's got a gun!
Let's get out of here!
Right behind him, Monty.
Stand right there, Longlegs. What do you have to do on our team, you supernatural machine?
Yeah, we're more reliable than you. You've got weak little legs.
Call yourself a spider train? You seem pretty weak to us.
Your weak legs don't give two damns. We're stronger, and you're nothing but a weakling. Oh, no, you don't. Get away from my twin.
Oh yeah, we're part of the riot too. Let's end this.
This will burn in hell.
I think we should
Go.
Yes.